Alright guys, so we got the, I don't think this is an OEM shock, but we got this shock off. It's a gas adjust. Yeah, I don't know. Did its job, I guess. So we're taking that one out. Should I wait for the airplane? Taking that one out, putting in our brand new Eibach shock. Pretty pumped on this. So yeah, we'll get these in and then we'll go move to the rears. Alright, so we got the shock in. Check it out. It's like the cleanest thing on the truck. Brand new. Anthony's just tightening up the upper strut 4 bolts up there.
That's it.
That's it. We got the one side in. 1 down, 3 to go. Alright, so we're on the other side, just got it jacked up, just getting started, and this thing's bent, like, real bad. So, that's great. I'm really glad we're changing these out, because I was just doing it because the truck has so many miles on it, but, yeah, so check it. Swapping it out. Alright, so we just got the old shock out, and excuse me, Moxie, you are in my way. And so this is what it looks like. So I guess it got pushed up too far.
Stop, Moxie.
And then didn't seat right and got bent. And yeah, so pretty good that we went ahead and change these out, because that's super sketchy. We were definitely driving the truck like that, so
For who knows how long.
yeah, that was a surprise for sure. So yeah, I don't even really know what to say. So we're going to go ahead and put in the new ones. All right, so we got the spring compressed, and unfortunately our top hat has been like totally worn through from all the rubbing and vibration on it from the I guess threading of this shock. Look, holy crap, you guys! That's how close it was to just like snapping off. We had no idea. Look. Yep, there it goes. We had no idea that this was like this.
I want to break it, but I don't want to hurt myself.
Oh my god! Like, I don't even know what to say. That is so terrifying that that's how we were driving the truck, and like that could have happened on the freeway. It could have happened when we were towing.
It's all that was holding it.
It could have happened. Hold on. It could have happened very, very, very soon. I am so glad that we got these Eibachs to put in. Oh my god. So if you guys don't understand what we're looking at, you're looking at, hold on, can you hold it?
Yeah. You
are looking at this threaded piece right here, like just mutilated and worn through. Oh my god. And so these bushing things were like offset on top. Well, you guys saw it. Oh my god. That is ridiculous.
Now we're kind of screwed.
And now we're kind of screwed if we can't go get one of these. I'm gonna have to see what kind of struggle it is to get a top hat for one of these struts. But holy crap, that is insane. Freaking insane. I'm so thankful right now that we didn't have an issue or an accident. Alright, we are back at it. Good news, we went to O'Reilly, picked up a brand new top hat. So we are good to go. We're gonna keep on cruising. Still gotta do the rears, but very thankful that this was in stock and we're able to get it done. Super glad. So awesome. So it's now nighttime, but we've got the new shock in with the new top mount. Ooh. And we are ready to rock, so we're gonna move to the rears next, but happy to know this is going to be way better than it was. Okay, so we got the fronts on, they're done, everything's good now that we replaced that top hat on the driver's side. So we're moving to the rear right now, and it looks like these are the OEM shocks in the rear. I'll show you guys. So They actually say Toyota on them, so we know that these definitely have 200,000 miles on them. Well, actually, 210,000 miles on them. So now we're going to be putting in these beautiful Eibachs, and hopefully no surprises on these ones. So stay tuned, we're almost done, and then we're going to go eat food because it's freaking nighttime. Alright, so Anthony is finishing up bolting in the new Eibach strut in the rear, driver rear, and then we just got the passenger side and we'll be ready to go to dinner. No surprises on this side, so that's rad. We do need some brake pads though, so that'll probably be next. Okay, so the truck is done. We got the last strut on. Shock, strut, whatever you want to call it. Boom! Back is way easier than the front. Takes way less time. Anthony pretty much did it by himself. I'm cleaning up because we want to go eat. But we'll give you guys a review on how it feels. Obviously, it's going to feel a lot better with that front being fixed. And yeah, I'll be completely honest when we do the drive, and it'll be awesome.